today's video, I'm going to show you how to request a name change on Coursera. Whether you need to fix a typo or have had a recent name change, updating your certificates is simple and ensures all your achievements reflect the correct name. Start by logging into your Coursera account and click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In your account settings, look for the Name Verification section. This is where you will manage how your name appears on certificates. Click on Request Name Change and a form will appear. Enter the exact name you want to appear on all certificates. Accuracy is important here, so double check for any typos. Once you've entered your name, click Submit. Your request will then go to the Coursera team for review. This process may take some time as they verify the information to ensure certificate integrity. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for additional verification. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your new name will be reflected on all your Coursera accomplishments, keeping your educational credentials accurate and professional.